In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for filing taxes in QuickBooks Online. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, the goal is to review the key financial reports that help you organize your records before tax filing. This process can also make things much easier if you're working with a bookkeeper or tax preparer, because you'll already have the most important information ready to go. From the left-hand menu, select Reports. This is where you'll find the financial reports you need to review. Start with the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary Report, which is usually located under Favorites or in the Who Owes You section. This report gives you a quick overview of outstanding customer balances, so you can see who still owes you money and how old those balances are. Next, open the Balance Sheet Report under Favorites or Business Overview. Review your assets, liabilities, and equity accounts carefully. This report gives you a snapshot of your business's financial position and helps confirm that your accounts are categorized properly before taxes are prepared. After that, open the Profit and Loss Report, also under Favorites or Business Overview. Go through your income and expense activity for the tax year. This is one of the most important reports for tax preparation because it shows how much your business earned and what it spent. Now move into more detailed customer balance reports. Open the Accounts Receivable Aging Detail Report under Who Owes You to review invoice-level customer balances. Then open the Open Invoices Report to identify any unpaid invoices that may still need attention. After that, review the Customer Balance Summary Report to verify that customer balances look accurate and consistent across your records. Next, open the Statement of Cash Flows Report under Business Overview. This report helps you analyze how cash moved through the business during the year, which can be especially useful for understanding operating, investing, and financing activity. Then review the Balance Sheet Detail Report under Business Overview for account-level transaction details. This allows you to look more closely at the entries behind the numbers on your balance sheet. Do the same with the Profit and Loss Detail Report to review detailed income and expense transactions and catch anything that may need clarification before filing. After that, check the Audit Log Report under Business Overview. This helps you review recent changes made to your company records, which is useful for spotting edits, corrections, or unexpected activity. Finally, save or export any reports needed for your tax preparer so everything is ready to share. Thanks for watching.